Hello, welcome back to my channel. And so you guys have been asking me my makeup routine. So I finally decided to do a makeup routine video. I would also try to state some facts, some fun facts about me so that we get to know each other more. I will be explaining each step that I do in this makeup routine. I usually do this makeup routine when I am going out. This will be very much beginner friendly. If you get confused that what step should I follow and what product should I have, then this video will definitely help you because I am going to show like from beginning to end what all products I am using. This video is also going to be affordable. Yeah, let's get started with the video. I have a very dry skin and that is why I need a lot of hydration. Going with this toner, this is Cannes Red series, and I like to just take few pumps, dab into my face. This helps wake up my skin and you can already see the kind of glow and hydration it provides. Rice water and niacinamide serum. This is from Glam, and I will also link all the products below in the description box. Now, fun fact is I decided to film this video and there is a mosquito bite, and I was like, what? When I decided to film a makeup video which required my face and a mosquito decided to bite me. Next step is moisturizing. I love this. By the way, before this, what I did is use some eye patches because I was watching Bridgerton last night and I completed the part 2 of season 4. So another fun fact about me is that I usually don't have time, but I love watching series and movies. Next step would be the SPF. So I'm using this Amino SPF. I apply the sunscreen even on my lips, every area which is exposed. A hydrating lip balm. So this is brightening lip balm from Fix Derma. I love this. This has like SPF 50, kojic acid, and it smells amazing. Okay, next step is very important. Using a primer. When I'm going out and I know that I need my makeup for a longer period of time, like for a complete day, from day to night, then I definitely use a primer. I really love this Liga Silk Touch Milk Cream. This is a game changer. You don't need a lot of product, just a pea size. And so I apply mainly on my T area of the face and then rest of the product on my all over the face. Fun fact about me is that people think that I am an extrovert, but I am a big time introvert and I can be only extrovert with selective people. We are going to use this foundation. I'm using this Mars foundation, but when I am going out on events or stuff, I use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is my shade, like this is in shade 6 olive because I have this olive undertone. Alternatively, I go with the Mars one. This is the affordable product. I go directly, making very small lines. If you can see, this is BRF03 by Mars. So this is a foundation brush, but if you don't want to invest it right now, you can always go with a beauty blender like this, or you can just use your fingers, right? Okay, we are blending it. I'm not using the foundation under eye area. So next fun fact about me is that I didn't always dress like this, like the way I dress now. I have learned a lot, changed a lot, find my personal style, and I used to overdress a lot. So next would be conceal. I use this YSL concealer. I have this cream concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is affordable, and if you are just getting started, you can start with the Swiss Beauty. If you want something more of a mid-range, you can definitely go for L'Oreal Infallible concealer or Maybelline one. Here. Okay, another fun fact about me is that I rehearse every important conversation in my mind constantly. I end up none of that. I don't know if that happens with you guys, but do let me know because I love reading your comments. Just do anything you want, do not touch it. I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm using this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 brows. Another fun fact is that I feel like I still don't know how to fill in the brows. I use this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. It doesn't make your brows very heavy. It will actually help your brow to stick where they should. Now next step, let's give our face some dimensions. Oh, and I forgot to show you the one step I do and I want a very glowy kind of makeup. This is the Illuminator, God's Glow Illuminator by Mars. This is the first step after primer and before your foundation. If you want that God's glow, this is Just Herb Born to Sculpt bronzer. This is in shade Latte, so I really love this one. I take my bronzer on my brush. First, I like to go on my forehead, so like very close to my hairline. Now, another fun fact about me is that I work 9 to 5 like as a full timer, and sometimes I still shoot a content after like 10 to 12 hours of my shift. It's a fact for sure. But can you see the shadow it's making? It's naturally lifting my face up, so I just love it. So this is just how I have been doing my nose. If you guys know any another technique, do let me know in the comments. Now it's time to blend our concealer. Another fun fact about me is that I don't follow many people, but a lot of people follow me. And you can see how beautifully it blends. You can't even see my dark under eye. In my defense to that fact, before I started this journey, I did everything. I supported and I just did everything. Be there and support and everything. But when I started this journey, I want to do something real. I didn't know that I inspired so many girls out there from different countries and different cities. I feel like I want to keep this very much authentic. So every girl out there following me, everyone following me is actually following me for something that I put out there. Okay, now that the concealer is done, it's my favorite step, the blush. I'm using this Sam blush. This is their cream blush in shade Sorbet. So it's a very nice pink sort of color. For this as well, I just take a bit of amount on my blush brush and then I dab on my cheek right here. Okay, now another fun fact about me that I work in 9 to 5 and I actually said like let me circle back on that in real life so many times. This is such a beautiful flush of pink color. I have not used single powder product up until now, so that is why this is the reason I'm using a cream blush now. I just concealed my eye, so I just matte my under eye to my skin. But if you want to highlight your under eye, then you can go like one shade lighter with your another concealer, so it will give you a very highlight effect. Oh, a little bit of it. I actually like to do it when the blush is done. So in case अगर blush बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है या बहुत यहाँ तक लग जाता है, whatever, it can balance it out. But now we have to wait for this again. Another fun fact about me is that my soft girl era is my strongest era. Like I have to say this, that I realized when I started to become this soft and feminine girl, I feel like I'm getting stronger. My head is clearing up and I'm getting more intentional about a lot of things. So I know meanwhile the internet is sparkling about, just don't be Pinteresty, find your own style, don't make a cosplay aesthetic. When I started personally, this was not even an aesthetic, and I still feel like that old money, I can't do it. I just don't feel like doing old money because I don't have resources. Old money is not just an aesthetic, it's an complete lifestyle which I don't have. I don't know if it's fun or not, but it's a fact that I used to be so loud in fashion. Fashion is an art, right? You have to be creative out there. But personally, my lifestyle doesn't allow it, and that is why I rebuilt my style. I rediscovered my personal style, and now I am only doing what aligns with me, what I feel like that I would admire a woman like this. We should be blending this out. And you know, I used to be very worked up about the creases, and I used to feel like that why do I have creases? What am I doing wrong? This is human, this is natural. So you don't have to be worried about having a perfect under. But one thing that will help you is that once you blend the concealer, again, just wait for few minutes and there will be a crease line here, right? And once you have that, you can just clear that up before you set your concealer with a setting powder. You might see here a little bit of crease, so I like to use this earbud which has this cotton. These come very handy, and I just like to remove all the excess concealer जो भी इस crease line में बन चुका है. So to set the makeup, you actually need a setting powder. I'm using this setting powder by Mars. This is their trend setting powder, and I feel like it's pretty good. I just press it very gently. Use a bit of here as well, and for the rest of the product on all over my face. Simply go with this, like you can see iski highlight. I mostly use this color as of base. I use like, and then this one right here as a actual color. I'm going in with some kajal, blend it, fill in a little bit on this, and what I do is just with my nails, that's it. The last step for the eye is the mascara. I'm using this bubble mascara by Maybelline. I love this one. For the finishing touches, I am using this beautiful blush. I actually don't know the brand or stuff, but the blush is so beautiful. It is so pigmented. So saw this on Amazon. I'm not using another bronzer. This worked for both of it. Making the crease here and then going up. And I'm using this Swiss Beauty Burgundy 09 shade lip liner. It's a very beautiful shade. I just line on my natural lip lining. Next up, a cream lipstick. This is Nykaa Super Light in shade Air. It's a very pretty, like pinkish nude color. Just Herb lip gloss. This is 04 Glimmering Cocoa. This lip gloss brings everything to life, and then after the lip gloss is done, I'm just going to contour again with this liner. Okay, we are done. It's one of that rare days when I feel like the sweet one is looking so amazing. What do you think about this makeup look? Just do let me know in the comments, because I always look to evolve myself, to grow out, to keep learning, and I think, like, I'm gonna say it, like, I have nailed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will help you in some way or another, and if it does, then my friend, subscribe this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.